Hi, my name is Pema Yoko and I'm the National Director of Students for a Free Tibet UK. It's been a great honour and a privilege to have worked with SFT UK for the past 5 years, but now I'm going on a new journey to fulfil a pledge to study and improve my Tibetan, not just for myself but for Tibet. And it's been a great challenge and experience working with Students for a Free Tibet UK, and to see it grow from this grassroots university chapter-based network to now this leading political organisation within the Tibetan community and within the Tibet support group world. And with minimal resources, SFT UK have really been able to produce many victories and real results for the Tibetan people. We've been able to educate and recruit countless new supporters to the movement. And we were the leading organisation behind the Beijing Olympics campaign in 2008. Not just on the streets of London during the torch relay, but in the streets of Beijing in August 2008. And for SFT UK to continue this important work, I therefore ask you to join SFT UK's Rangzen Circle. The Rangzen Circle is a monthly donation by which just a few pounds is put towards sustaining SFT UK's critical work and action for the Tibetan people. And SFT is not just an NGO that is doing this work because we believe it's the right thing to do. We're doing this work because we know we can win. Tibetans and supporters are challenging China's illegal occupation of Tibet, and together we will be victorious. So therefore I ask you today to please donate to SFT UK and help me ensure a free Tibet. And now I'm here in Dharamsala where I know I must fulfill my Laka pledge so that I can be the best advocate for the Tibetan people and for Tibet, and to continue my work for Students for a Free Tibet UK. Thank you, and Rangzen.